How to move apps and organize home. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly tap and hold on your screen. Then firstly go to icons. You can simply change the size of your icon by moving this stick. After you are able to convince yourself with the size of icon, click on apply. And as you can see, the size has been changed. Now, if you want to move any application, tap and hold on the icon, move it where you like. You can also slide it to the right and create a new screen. After that, if you want to shrink this folder, tap and hold on it and simply click on shrink folder. After that, if you want to add a new application icon on your home screen, simply scroll to all the applications. Tap and hold on the new application icon and you can add it in any you like. So that's it. That is how easily you can move application icon and organize your home. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.